Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Affirm on Expedia. In this walkthrough, we'll book a stay on Expedia and show you where the Affirm Buy, now Pay Later option typically appears so you can spread out payments when it's offered. Availability can vary by location, currency, dates, and property, so your screen may look a little different. Start by opening the Expedia Philippines website. On the homepage, use the search to choose your destination and travel dates. If you've looked at places recently, you may also see a quick way to jump back to a previous location. That's perfectly fine to use. The goal is simply to land on the property you want for your trip. Once you're viewing results, select the reservation you're interested in. This opens the property page where you can compare room types, amenities, and the total cost. Scroll down the page until you find the section where you can reserve a room. Take a moment to review the cancellation policy, what's included, and any fees or deposits listed. Then choose the room you want and click Reserve. You'll move into the booking flow. When you're given the choice, select Pay Now. This is important because pay over time options like Affirm are typically shown during Pay Now checkout flows rather than Pay at Property. Before proceeding, glance at the price breakdown so you know the nightly rate, taxes, and fees. Enter your traveler details exactly as they appear on the ID you'll use at check-in. Make sure your contact information is correct so you receive confirmation and trip updates. If you have an Expedia account, signing in can help autofill some fields and keep your itinerary in one place. Next, you'll arrive at the payment section. Here, you'll see available payment methods for your booking. If Affirm is supported for this trip, you'll see it listed as a payment option. Choose Affirm to review the available payment plans, then follow the prompts to complete a quick eligibility check and confirm your terms. You'll see the estimated monthly amounts and the total cost before you commit. If you don't see Affirm, it may not be available for this property, region, or date range. In that case, select another listed method or try different dates. When everything looks good, select Complete Booking. Wait for the confirmation screen and email to appear. Your itinerary will be saved in your Expedia account, and if you used Affirm, your payment schedule will be managed in your Affirm account. Keep an eye on cancellation deadlines and any changes to plans, as those can affect refunds and payment schedules. Enjoy your trip and your new, more flexible way to pay.